How to show FPS in every games using NVIDIA GPU. So first thing you're gonna wanna do is open the game. I open GTA 5 in this case. Then you're gonna click Alt Z and go to the statistics folder and click Show Statistics in Heads Up Display and click in change to FPS. Now, when you're in game, you will see the FPS counter on the top left corner of the screen. You can also change the view to see more details, for example GPU utilization, the GPU temperature and the latency. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel.